His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, the Overlord of the great and peaceful Kingdom of Dagon, Yana Abukari Mahama II, my friend, the Laura Naka, former President John Jerry Rawlings, and his wife, Nana Kunedu, the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, Professor Mike Okoye, Honorable Akosia Frema Osei Pari, Chief of Staff, Honorable Ministers of the Governor of Bank of Ghana, Honorable Members of Parliament, Heads of Government Institutions, Members of Council of State, Members of the Diplomatic Corps, and Nanum, and my own people, the lovely sons and daughters of Kwai Bibrim, and Mija Ochimai Anam, Ejahoma Miankasa, Nimabusiafo, Echre, Asida, Aedema, Empenyi, Eni Ahemfu, Abahane, Eni Ebedi, Safi, Trade Aponya Kupon, Yedana Se, Senfie do ni. Nasi say edanya mi ase. Say ni etie bia no. Enedai. Yetumi asori. Ya dwe da ho. Ye wo hodin. Na ya be hye mu ane. If you do no ahye ase no. Na obi anim sapri said e bedane. And so onyame a ohwe so no. Odna be do pepe so. And unti last state council. Catch your chimay say. And yet enim dia ani esika bi na ya ho ofe bi ani abedruwa emom ayonyame enunti bijama na muni tumi ka se yo chimai e she Christ sa epeni e she mo Israna mama bia apeja anamo a she ane akai se anamo gana nyina obia kakra oyeye enama Ghana ene etia sunjomu a yedodo ye ho aboni bia kan okwantu onu 20 years no anyamresa kwani bia chiachia ebia na wutwe so ebia na nipa bi pian enso bibia ubetumi aye bia wa kukodro onyame a odi obako dichichiru eni adwuma ni ekuo ye wo mi ekuo no mu mansotwi your friend the chief justice dispute say yan sonu the best say yemay yemay to see ye baye ya bomodia se be asemo bia ye beka na asumdwe aba and then in America Japan ni approach for the chief justice dispute no na nanu any abusuan na bi ahase and so saban anti asia assembly ni wa untumi frɛ the traditional council ebisa se any action di ya dia tum so oyohi and the president bows yo pray ya pedia he for mienu na dan tokwa and one say obefre e wo yen na case there achimo bokwa chaisa council the akacho say asumasi any adina tum away onyohe empembebre ye bisa na adani ni o me ka she me wan onyam se fitititi sa hinsam yi a etwetra Ghana hanyina ebi wotima mu eso ya bomodia ma ochima dia no ye kire PG emma ya mnie ani ahodo ani obuo aba ofurobania community Ochiame ananu mu amosiemu a o se se ekoso sa Ghana entimi nkoso ene meka se abo asati yo setu abaso oni ahefo miensa owura the president Jọlajẹkun Kufo ẹtiyẹ sẹ wọn hwẹ na wọn siesie yẹ nuanom dapò ahinsie na wọn sẹ na wọn yọ ẹ ma yẹ kan de fo na n'adoba yẹ Mia Minana. Okwesu. Ese imre. Eni sika. Eni abutre. Eni na yakasei. Yana abekaya huwai. Asumdwe. Abadago. Nabai. Napeni pese. Abatuasu. Pese. Ebakoswane ebi mbabio. Efise. Dagbo akyerɛ sɛ nipa transi na nkudie wom na adwempa wɔ hɔ na ɛwɔ abotrɛ na ɔtan ne mu a yɛbɛtumi awie nkonimdie mu ɛdi saa bere mmea me nnua a waka me ho nɛ yɛana yɛbɔ aba so ɛne wɔabotrɛ ɛne ɔpanin a wowodi ɛwɔ wo kurom hɔ onyame hyira wo nakɔ so ɛyɛ ndaa Efe bebre no ayana eye binimo wo nim se gama ahini constitution no ana edemaye asana constitution ba na ni wa engineer constitution and create ye nanso Ghana constitution adi atumu se ahemfo ewo Ghana ha tumi bia eye dia no Obi antumi nyi fi yesem aduti na ya kase yanya kandifo a otisa na nadu esan yifo Ghana nyina ye boa na nia won wo ye no yesu ye de be ka ho na ma Ghana ye koyelim efiso nyame ahyiran ewo ye de ma bebre Nana ibaye obiani mdewayo 1D 1F creating 6 new regions or 3 development authorities or see a fuyo any ajuma abekoso and a magana fanatuma pefia obusu ayani ama bebre yana nanuma futu oni se the suku no o see ohiani bia ni wa obaka se all man the bank school sa seven etwam Ghana ha obeya no na nipa bebre si enye nanso obukudroni a olim ni ohwehwe a ne daya sonti enne abofra bia opese obo school owo kwan so obeko enso ho nana school na kono eye nanso adechire ena wiase fa na nyina science technology ekuntabuo ena edi probi mu akote enu ti se won ko school no yema wode ancient science any technology mu kina na manu ancient if so we school no pueba ya baka no onim science ya ko edi mo enye enu ti na moti se maka se emeye yia as on man no a yetim no ehihye no a na wo 1957 yes centrality of governance yes sir na yama in decentralizing yama abansi bia every school so every school so abada ho obronici efficiency transparency accountability and corruption so be balance I think bonus so extra dia no e betumi ewu wo wo da dia ye e betumi aka na ya sakra we are see for Nigeria bebia ni wa o mana koso tania onyame cha wo ade amana koso epinia omano esua we are looking for an investment in education ama yeproyi atupon anuti as a schoolty. On what going Adrian Nano, the peel of the Article 55, stroke 3. The deal come on and there, chair back. Me who, sir, anybody team man see one. One official near Obedi was so, the same young. What the anu haya na me did say ya come back no president ashebo say on chamu na e besan abasubiu when you take government to the people and allow them to shape their own future and to take charge of their destiny. It's a laudable thing. And Mr. President, yes, sir. I'm the woman. Sanfa Bebio, Yamamuda. Na Yamafo Antiasia. Sir, I didn't know I had the part. Patience is Subio. Sabai. Juma odi eswani nansu so manu nkoso no bekoso a anya abangwa nye sabi ya president kwa onu die eni so ade ewu ana wo no dia man amanfo wa yi ministers Samusha, that you may muni, Namufa sum, a manful. And the Aka, so he money you and by the body Naka. And it Nana do Yawaya, Agano, Bia Bonafaso. Sasemi to Simadia. No more, Yadia Dumasha for some. Money has here Bisamu. Yebisamu. I'm church as here. Mama Utumi. Saboya Juma. Mama Wakatia. Mama Udaya Udamu free. Apelori Amau. Ufon Yetia. Utabu Yetia. Nia Uba Yepe. And it's Uba Sum. And also Eddie. And every mama also. Do you know who I am? Yes, I know who you are. You are a public servant. Afghanistan. Baby, Juma, Ibisu, Eduma and Swani. And Yam Naka Chana, Nionyo, Ojuma and Swani, Yamakawa, report card. And just a what failure, won't go him. Someone make a can you so? Now, yes, some opinion leaders. Any Yanya Ankasa, Yang Amanfo, Probia, Omembia Ayenu. A man for no they live within the bounds of their constitution. They respect and defend the rule of law. And Brother Ashano Anna Obo and so on. And yes, sir, Umayan Kasaya Ghana for no. Yes, sir, yes, it's Nano Minya Owo Ewura no Adam for Cecilia Napa Minister of Sanitation Yedi Bomo and Obacha Dustbins Bebre because of my penny Akase Officer and Cry and yet the cleanest city in West Africa. Sanwaka na doable. She able to me ball siwa and two ball in Wood Street so. Na yɛatete yɛn saa yɛ maame no sɔre na ɔnan na ɔnum na wɔapra efie na wɔn ato ataadeɛ na wɔka hyɛ mu na wɔatwi wo se na wokɔ sukuu ɛbaa ne sɛn na afei deɛ efi ɛne ɛbɛsi ɛtena mu obi si suban obi antumi nkyerɛ aseɛ ade wo a so obi ahwɛ wo a ɛhɔ ɛna suban daabi wodi sɛ woto bɔɔla no akere na obi ahu enti wo ho bɛkyew ɛnɛ abɛi bɔɔla no yɛde aba kyɛ bi kɔ odua mu yi onyame yɛ adom yɛde bi kɔ ɔkyema nyinaa dasbis no obi a wobɛto bɔɔla aku baabi a wɔmfa nto bi mu ɛsɛ yɛkyew ne yɛtwe wɔ so nyinaa ne yɛ youth anaado ebio waka sɛ ɔman bi abɛkɔ so a agye sɛ yɛpagya the youth na ɛbɛpagya youth no a ɛyɛ sukuu ɛne discipline nti yɛsrɛ mu ada yɛayɛ bi yɛate university college wɔ ha ɛkyerɛkyerɛ agriculture and environment ɔkyema mu nkwadaa bebree fɛ science nti yɛnya numbers ne yɛpɛ no nti yɛsrɛ mu ada ɔmɔde na moma no ɛmna sɛ sukuu no yɛ sukuu no nso ɛnyi ɛma yɛyɛ atwopɛ a aban ɛsɛ ɔbɛsɔ yɛ mu ɛwɔ Korean Exim Bank bi ne yɛatrɛ sukuu no anya facilities ɛnyɛ no nko ɔkyema mu a nneɛma bebree wɔ ha and this is for our friends from the diaspora. We have investable opportunities in this kingdom. We are looking for investors who come and stay, the ones who will be interested in their profit, but at the same time want to improve the communities in which they will work. Somebody will tell you that Ghana is not the right place to invest. That is a lie. We are no longer considered a speculative risk nation. We are an investment grade country. When you put your money in here, you will be allowed to repatriate your profit. But we ask that once you come here, by the time you earn your profit, you'd have left something behind for the community. Onyame Adomie, we say we have a beautiful country, and we are noble people. They are this year, and near Manoa. Yeah, Papa no down kwanom ani pelfo bi e kan ayeye no anu bi na ese yesua ebio na woni mrade na o mari ye yo no mpe ye bi dan kwa ni din e da so Pauli e din da so mpedi a abetwam ko Martin said, there's no hope for Africa. I don't know, correct? Me call a pro, I watch him. I'm back. Me home here. And I'm home, Kwada, Yepe, and Yumayo. Now, me say Rome was not built in a day. Nanashi Shanin, a Bayana, and Yuma, Alco Congrassi. And until now, baby proposal, Maka, the Ghana, a 16 regions. And I'm going to offer ministry and for regions, Forestry Commission, Ministry of Forestry and Land, Agriculture, local government, the 16 equal regions. You better create a new man. You better commerce. Akoso. You better perform at our program. I am new man. Also, to be taxes. And yet, but before that, we need to build infrastructure to connect disadvantaged people into economic opportunities. I think we can do that. So, Mimi Diana, and then 1D, 1F is 1R, 1N. In the since 32, you are deepening democracy. I'm a young Abetiasi. Said democracy, who saw it, baby, no penny, now we yano, who baby, now we did and yes, I did him. And then, Yana, F3, Dagon, a 2 choir bar on my invitation. That we are peaceful people and we are united. We should never lose sight of our unity as Ghanaians, because all of us will enjoy a peaceful Ghana and a prosperous Ghana. Yadamasi, Onyamisha Ghana, Oshia Ochimai, Oshio Bibia.